How to limit content on TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to limit content on TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Once you are on your profile, click on those three lines up there and click on setting and privacy. Here scroll down and you're gonna find family pairing. Click on it. Wait for a second. And here you can set a limit on your teens watch time or limit content that isn't suitable for your teen. Just click on continue and you can follow those steps. Who's is using this TikTok account, you can choose parent, teen, whatever, and follow those steps until the end. Choose whatever you want. Easy and quick. Don't forget to subscribe and like.